Have you ever stood in front of your closet for 20 minutes only to end up wearing the same outfit? To be honest, it happens to me all the time. Planning outfits is usually harder than it sounds, especially when you have events coming up, let's say some weddings, trips, or content to film, and you have absolutely no idea what pieces even work together anymore. Now you can instantly try on outfits virtually and build complete outfits before ever touching your closet. That's exactly what Picsart AI Stylist is designed for. And in this video, we're going to test it out and see how it can help creators, travelers, and fashion enthusiasts plan entire wardrobes. I'll break down every single step just for you. I'm Hike, and let's get into it. Picsart AI Stylist is a powerful tool that lets you virtually try on different clothing pieces from pants, shirts, outwear, hairstyles, and accessories like glasses and caps. So to test this properly, let's meet our example creator, Kevin. Kevin is a travel and style content creator. He needs multiple outfit styles for different situations. He's thinking of breaking it down to travel, work, weekends, and a night out in the city. But there is one problem. He's pretty messy and his closet is a complete disaster, and it's impossible for him to plan what to wear. So first, head over to Picsart AI Stylist page. I'll upload a simple full body photo in a neutral pose. This gives the stylist a clean reference to build outfits on. On the right hand side, you'll see many drop-down menus for different categories of clothing. Let's switch from female to male to see our clothing options for him. Let's start with travel outfit. Kevin has an early morning flight to New York City, so comfort is the priority here. We are going for something relaxed, functional, and still stylish enough to look good while traveling. Let's go down and choose a black cap. I'm thinking to choose a brown gym bag, his glasses, some black joggers, and a comfortable hoodie. Now that the fit is ready, let's click generate at the bottom to outfit him. Nice, I like it. He looks cozy. Perfect travel clothes. The fit feels cozy, clean, and realistic. Exactly the kind of outfit you would actually wear through an airport. But there is one small issue. Usually flights are freezing, so let's add a varsity jacket on top. Now the outfit feels much more complete while still staying casual and comfortable at the same time. Next, let's move on to the creator dinner. For this look, Kevin wants something slightly formal, but still fashion forward and modern. On the left hand side, click on the first image to get back to the original outfit. Let's go with brown square glasses, some brown bowed shoes, gray dress pants, white Oxford shirt, an olive bomber. For a bag, let's go with a tan leather tote. Let's see how this looks. It's not that bad, but I'm sure we can do it better. So let's replace the bomber with a blazer and swap the brown shoes for black dress shoes. He looks much better now, but I think it's a little too formal. So let's do some experiments. Let's try an ivory silk blouse from the female section and switch up the bag for a black leather tote. That's what I'm talking about. Now this feels very unique. The outfit looks polished, but the unconventional shirt choice adds a stylish editorial edge that makes the look stand out. So, dinner outfit perfected. Let's move on. After the event, Kevin has a few free days to explore the city and hang out with some of his friends. So now we need something casual for daytime wear. At the top of the menu, you'll notice a section called Outfits. These are preset combinations of clothing and accessories that you can try out. So for this one, let's go with a straight style. Great, he looks perfect for exploring and walking around New York during the day while filming content. Now let's move to the evening look. Kevin is heading to dinner with friends at an Italian restaurant. and this time he already has an idea in mind to keep it super trendy while balancing classic fabrics and a bit of a street style. And this is where AI Stylist becomes really powerful. You can upload real clothing references from your own wardrobe or even pieces you found online. So let's go to tops, click the upload button and upload your top and then add it to our fit. For bottoms, I'm going to upload these brown barrel pants. For glasses, I found these cool ones from Gentle Monster. For his accessory, I think this cool Acne Studios bag will be a perfect fit. And finally, we will top everything off with a graphic hat. Looks like all of the components are in. So let's generate and see what Kevin looks like. As you can see, this came together incredibly well. He looks super trendy and comfortable at the same time. He will definitely fit in with his New York friends for dinner. So using Picsart AI Stylist, Kevin has made planning for brand trips that much easier. For future trips and vlogs, he has a handy and powerful tool to plan his outfits with ease. For creators especially, being able to quickly plan outfits before filming can save a huge amount of time and mental energy. And honestly, it's just fun to use. So if you want to experiment with new aesthetics, build better outfits or plan your wardrobe more efficiently, Picsart AI Stylist is definitely worth checking out. So make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching, Hai goes with you and I'll see you in the next video. Good luck!